Hi, welcome to English TV. My name is Md Rizal Sam. Alright, episode 4 of debunking session will be at Changi Sailing Club. Right now I'm at Changi Sailing Club, all the way to the left near to CBC. I'm here alone, so I'll be updating you guys every hour for 6 hours. Every 1 hour I'm gonna update you guys whether is it safe to fish here alone. Okay, as you guys know, the debunk session is actually for you guys to find out whether is it safe to fish here alone or not. We are not here for paranormal activity or whatsoever. We just want to tell you guys how safe is it to fish alone here at the place that you guys voted. Alright, so wish me luck. I'm gonna update you guys every 1 hour. Okay, see you guys on the other side. Okay guys, I just want to share with you guys what is the atmosphere here. Alright, I haven't set up my fishing rod yet, but I just want to show you guys where am I right now. Right, this is the hut that most of you guys, most of the people spoke about. Right, that's all my stuff there. Okay, I'm gonna start fishing later. I'm just gonna show you guys where am I right now. Right, it's right at the end of Sailing Club and the place that I'm gonna fish will be near to the stone area there where they want me to debunk. Right, it's very dark here. Okay, you guys see the stone there? So there is the place that I'm gonna fish. Let you guys know how safe is it. So wish me luck. I'm gonna update you guys every 1 hour. Right, let me prepare my item first. I'll see you guys again. Take care. Okay, so I've cast out my first bait already. I'm using a what here. Alright, hopefully hit on a big stingray. I've changed my spot from the shelter to here because this is the nearer to the stone, but the stone area there a lot of sangkut so I try here lah. Okay, I'm gonna update you guys in another 1 hour's time, so wait for me . Okay guys, it's 1 o'clock already right now. There is still no bite. Right, where am I squatting right now is really at the stone that some of the guys recommended me to go here. Alright, whether is it safe to fish here or not. As for now, there's nothing going on yet. I'm still hoping to get a fish. There's no bite on my end. It's a bit eerie here because literally no one here. There is really nobody here. Really no one except for passing ships and boats lah. So I will update you guys another hour. Alright, maybe another hour I just gonna read the comment that you guys commented lah. Okay, so again, wish me luck guys for big fishes or any fisher on this debunk session. See you guys again. Okay, just want to share with you guys, this is the stone. Right, putting my rod on the right hand side. Okay, used to be can go inside here. This is the way to CBC. I'm going to show you guys where is CBC, right? So you need to walk along here. stone. This is the famous tree also that they are talking about. Alright. Yep. Okay. Damn it, okay. So this is the place, the CBC. Okay, I just gonna get out of here because there's a foul smell. Not nice smell over there. Hopefully it's nothing. Where is my coming from? Okay. Then I'll get back to my place. See you guys again. Okay guys, it's already 2:30 AM already. Right, since we are here, I'm just gonna read out the comments and shout out to all you guys who actually commented on this debunk series. Okay, let me see an interesting one. Okay, over at Changi by Romero Conivers, I've been fishing that spot for over 15 years. The story there was facing the sea. On the right side tree they used to have tents set up for illegal prostitution activities for foreign workers, and one of the lady who worked there got killed by drunk customer. After that case, it's very common to hear weird sound coming out of the place. So that explains why Amru got a crying voice there lah. Alright, so let me read out more on the comments that you guys pass it to me. Alright, I read the comment later at 1 hour later. Right, it's just getting weird. I just gonna check. I see you guys again. Okay guys, it's a high tide right now. That's why I'm bringing myself up already. Alright, it's going to 5 o'clock, close to 5 o'clock. There's really no bite here. I have no idea where the fish at. So going to close 1 hour already lah. I'm gonna pack. The guys will be coming to me already. I'm at first. Okay guys, it's going to 6 o'clock already. I think I missed a biggie just now. Okay, the reason why I never use my flash, this is how dark the place is. Okay, so I'm doing selfie on my video. This is how dark is it. It's going to 6 AM and still very dark. If you guys can see the moon there. Okay, that's the moon. This is me. You can see. Okay, this is, yeah, it's me here. Okay, I'm waiting for the boys to pick me up right now. I think right about now, I messaged them already. I'm really uncomfortable here due to the things happened just now. It's going to 6 anyway, right? So this is how dark the place is, even though it's going to 6 o'clock. So I'm just waiting for the boys. Okay, just wait for them here. See you guys again.
Hey guys, we got a message from the person down there, Md Rizal Sam. He say he feeling uncomfortable, so we gonna pick him up already. Now it's 6 o'clock already, so let's pick him up. Come, let's go. We feel uneasy. How dark can it be? Oh, crazy lah. Dark. There also got no lampu. Hey! Hey! Okay, here is what. Hopefully everything is alright. I down here, so I feel very safe. Dibang alone down here, crazy lah. The boy is very friendly. Youngsters very daring. Kenal me. Youngster. Hey! Hey, why? You message, you feel uneasy ah?
Going off already.
How?
No, I got hit. But definitely gonna return here again because it's a big hit. But I'm gonna return here again, not alone. So it's not recommended for you guys to come here alone. This is very scary.
Pitch dark. 6 o'clock is pitch dark.
So it's scary. Okay. So if you guys want to try out here alone, by all means. But please come. This is the pondok that they all been saying. But I don't recommend going to. No. It was darker in the night lah, but 6 AM it's still dark. Alright lah, so Changi Sailing Club debunked. It's not safe to fish here alone. If you guys want to come here, I hit a big fish. Guarantee there's a big fish. Just come with your buddy or a group of
Friends,
Yeah.
How, rabak?
Okay lah. Awesome lah. People keep this coming ah. Please like and subscribe if you guys like this kind of video. Okay, we will do more. Okay, just please comment down below where should we debunk next. I'll see you guys on the other side. Bye bye.